Stop scrolling right now. These pipe cleaner flowers are absolutely amazing. You have got to try making them. They turn out so beautiful and look way more professional than you'd ever guess. Let's jump straight in. Here's everything you need and exactly how to make yours. First, grab your supplies: pipe cleaners, scissors, floral tape, floral stems, and flower stamens. Super simple items you can get anywhere. Start by folding your pipe cleaners in half, then cut them so you end up with 9 sets of 3 pieces each. Next, fold every single one of those pieces in half again so they're all prepped and ready to shape. Now take one longer pipe cleaner, bend it into a V shape. Take 3 of those folded pieces you just made and slot them right onto the V part of that longer pipe cleaner. Twist the longer pipe cleaner tight to hold everything in place. Then pull both sides of the long pipe cleaner down to the outer edges of the pieces, twist the bottom firmly to lock it all together, and that's your first petal done. Do this whole process 6 times total, so you have 6 perfect petals ready to go. Next, grab another half-sized pipe cleaner plus your stamen. Pop the stamen right in the middle of that pipe cleaner, wrap it around and twist it tight to secure it. Add a little glue to hold it extra steady, then attach this whole centerpiece straight onto your floral stem. Now it's time to build the full flower. Grab each of your finished petals, add a bit of glue to the base, and stick them around the center. I always start by sticking 3 petals evenly spaced first, like forming a triangle shape. Then I fill in all the gaps between them with the remaining 3 petals. This way you get a nice, full, rounded flower shape every single time. Last step, take your floral tape and neatly wrap it all around the bottom where all the pipe cleaners meet the stem. Keep wrapping smoothly and tightly all the way down to the very end of the stem so everything looks neat, matching, and totally polished. And just like that, you've made the most stunning pipe cleaner flower. They look incredible as home decor, gifts, or whole bouquets. You're gonna love how these turn out.